Hey guys, good morning. How you doing? So really quick video on why I'm going to be shorting the shit out of Bitcoin. Um, Actually, it's because these indicators are usually when we have a bearish week close, we always end up dropping a significant amount. Um, Here, right, the last time we were actually going to drop, we actually went from 25K. We dropped about 5K in 14 days, so 20%, right? But on these previous triggers, we've actually dropped a lot more, which have been from here to here, so about 57% in about 60 days. And then previously, we've dropped from here all the way down to 33K in about 70 days. But both times have been a 50% drop. And this kind of adds to the drop that I'm looking for. I do not think that we're only going to drop 5K because back here on this trigger, right, even though it was pretty profitable, right, you would have shorted from 23.6 and it went all the way down to 19K. So you have plenty of time to get out to adjust stops, whatever. But as of right now, I am expecting more than likely another 50% drop from these highs, in about 70 days or so. Let's go 70 days, right? 50%. Let's go with that. 50%. There you go. Keep in mind that, my combo hasn't been wrong in a very, very, very long time, unless we are officially in a bull market, right? But even then, right, you still see these huge drops, right? So 12K drop to 9K, right? Let's see, 10K drop to about 88K right here. 10K drop to about 4K, which is the pandemic drop, and then right here, right, 13K all the way down to 7K. So roughly every single time has been about a 50% drop. And again, I don't like not listening to my indicators. So I will probably not short Bitcoin directly, but I will be shorting Bitcoin miners like Mara, HUT, BITF, other things like that. More than likely, I'll probably do at the money puts for Mara for 70 days out, probably longer, 70 days, so maybe like 3 months out, just in case. So I will be shorting Mara, probably like $11 puts for like 3 months out. Generally, that's what happens. If we're looking at Bitcoin, right? These drops tend to happen in 60 days. Where's the next one? 60 days. Well, what am I using? Which chart was I using? Yeah, 70 days, 60 days. Generally every single drop has been roughly about 60 days or so right here, right, too. Let's look this one too. Again, right there. Right there. All the way down to, yeah, 60 days. So roughly 60, well, not 60 days because you want to have time. I'd probably do maybe like 75 days, have an extra 2 weeks of time. So I'd probably look for getting maybe 75 days or maybe like 80 days. Why can't I? Like 77 days out, looking for a 50% drop. So this is my target. It has been my target for a while now. And I do think we're headed back to anywhere between 10 to 15K. And I think this will probably be the final drop. If we do drop this low, you will be breaking the lows of 15.5. So kind of an insane drop. So, apart from here, I'll definitely be looking at and updating you guys. But this closes, this indicator, this signal closes on Sunday. Once this closes on Monday morning, I will be getting all of the Mara that I can possibly get. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.